See what we got here. Smile. Packed. Nice and tight. Time to smile it up. Boom shock. I dig. And what's this? We got the cassette tape, people. Nice little cassette tape. Just unwrapping a Radiohead cassette. Just like the old days. Swank. Oh, a Joker colored tape. This is cool. I dig it. I love it. Thank you. A limited edition fucking white. Nice and easy. Opens right up. Boom shaka. Oh my goodness. How white is it? All right. A milk colored vinyl. Things got real cutouty today. Thank you, Tom. I'm a big fan. So what would you like to see next time? Leave it in the comments below. Below. Chalk.